Can the Trump administration deport people without hearings, and will it obey the court's decision? The deportation of alleged gang members to El Salvador over the weekend could set up legal battles involving those questions. Amy Kiley reports.
He feels like he has a mandate to do all of these things.
It's up to a judge to determine if the Trump administration violated a temporary restraining order over the weekend, and if so, how to respond. He's U.S. District Judge James Boasberg. His order Saturday evening demands the administration stop using the Alien Enemies Act to deport people without hearings. But the Trump administration says it did use that wartime law to deport hundreds of alleged gang members over the weekend. In a statement, the press secretary says they were outside U.S. territory by the time of the written order. She doesn't mention the judge's earlier verbal order that any flights involved turn around.
They are looking to push the bounds, and they have no problem doing this.
A legal analyst says verbal orders are binding. He says the issue comes down to the location of any planes involved when the judge gave his mandate. He says if they were in U.S. territory and left, that's a violation. If they had landed, that's not. And if they were mid-flight,
now we're going to get into a gray area.
Analysts say what happened pushes legal boundaries in two ways. One, it sets up a potential legal battle over deporting people without hearings.
Bad pun, but it trumps every other legislation that we have.
And two,
it does raise questions about whether President Trump and his team are going to follow judges' orders.
I'm Amy Kiley reporting.